आपका वाई क्या था इस इदारे को स्टार्ट करने का? बिकॉज आई थिंक मेंटल हेल्थ बड़ा ही क्रिटिकल टॉपिक है पाकिस्तान के अंदर, और बहुत से लोग इस पे बात करने से घबराते भी हैं, बहुत से लोग बात करना चाहते ही नहीं हैं, बहुत से लोग किसी पे इन्वेस्ट नहीं करना चाहते बिकॉज वो समझते हैं तो यार ओके।
सो as you mentioned कि वाई होना कितना ज़रूरी है, हर इंसान का वाई होना कितना ज़रूरी है, एंड setting up this organization was one of the reasons that it became was कि मेरा अपना lived experience through mental health. As an individual suffering from my own challenges and stresses in life, I thought कि मुझे रीच आउट करना चाहिए किसी काउंसलर को, किसी प्रोफेशनल को, जिससे मैं अपने मसले डिस्कस कर सकूँ और सीख सकूँ कि हाउ टू बेटर कोप। That means an X amount of investment finance that I had to put in, but an infinite amount of emotional investment that I had to put in.
Yeah.
To open up to 4 different strangers back to back, to find the right kind of match and fit for myself.
Beautiful.
Who would be able to help me. So I thought, if I have this problem, this is a systems problem, that people are not able to access mental health care the way they should be able to, and specifically quality mental health care. So that's one why.
Struggles क्या रही, किस तरह देख रहे?
The other why, when we started working with organizations specifically, we added our B2B stream, is when I was working at a 9 to 5 job. My mother was suffering from cancer, and I asked the SATE for a 2-day leave for a planned surgery at the hospital, and the SATE said that मेरी company को भी cancer है, so you're not allowed leave. So in 30 seconds I had to decide. ये मैंने अपने दिमाग में ही, किसी ने मुझे बोला नहीं, 30 सेकंड में मुझे जवाब दो what's happening, but I had to decide for myself कि क्या मैं इस रट में, इस टॉक्सिसिटी में रहना चाहता हूँ, या फिर मैं अपने लिए एक डिसीजन ले लूँ कि मैं इससे बाहर निकलूँगा और फिर देखूँगा, देखा जाएगा जो होगा, अपने ऊपर भरोसा करके. And I did the latter. But toxic workplaces are a common thing. Sate mindset is a common thing. Toxic bosses is a very common thing in Pakistan. But that doesn't mean that every boss, every Sate is a toxic person. But at the same time, learning to be able to identify toxicity, stressors, and learning to be able to understand my own reaction to these external stimuli that I get is really important for an individual to understand themselves better as a human being, to be able to perform to their fullest.